38 papers were showcased at this year's Symposium on the 19th Century Press, Civil War, and Free Expression. Communication majors were encouraged to go and learn more about the history of the 19th century.
I think it's an exciting conference. I love the idea of 19th century newspapers because this is how people learn. This is the media. You know, Lincoln bought a German newspaper secretly and used that to get Germans to support him when he was in Illinois.
Dr. Vernon Burton, a historian at Clemson University, attended this year's symposium. He loves these events because they highlight the importance of journalism, especially as people turn away from traditional media outlets and making the move to social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube for news.
The newspapers were so important, and just think about what that means for us today as we get information through social media, TV, radio, and other things. This is a way to understand how people communicate, how they communicate ideas, how they also communicate and mobilize biases. I think there could be no more important a symposium or conference than exactly what you're doing here at Augusta University.
The next symposium will be held February 7th through the 9th in Panama City, Florida, and students who wrote papers on media history within the past year will have the opportunity to present their findings. The symposium was put on by the Pamplin College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences along with the Society of 19th Century Historians.